Start with an idea. Make coffee. Just kidding, I don't drink coffee. Sketch the design, kill the design. Think some more. Get out the sewing machine. Make a seat. Sit on it. Stop sitting, start doing. Grind it, pound it, test it. Back to the drawing board. Tear, tear, tear. Let's do this for real. Machine it, weld it, grind it, reveal it. Give it a leather seat. Give it red stitching. Give it a shiny paint job. Give it a handle for precise steering. Did I mention it spins? Patent it. Get it in the newspaper. Patent it again. We're on a mission to make a product that is not only unique, but fun as well. When you're sitting 5 inches off the ground, suddenly every tree becomes an obstacle, every ramp becomes an opportunity, and every corner becomes a drift. Spin, spin, spin your way to happiness. Find your path or your turn, because in the end, it's all about the feelings and the excitement. This is what you've been waiting for. So go ahead, get on to one.
Welcome to Grange in the Swiss Alps, where I am on my first 5 minutes on the ridiculously revolutionary Joystick bike. This guy's basically an electric bike, goes up to 60 kilometers per hour. The entire thing is controlled by this joystick in my right hand. So we got no handlebars, sitting back, enjoying the view in the Alps here. Technology is pretty simple, surprisingly simple actually, and the whole thing was developed off recycled parts. So there's not a single thing on this guy that actually need to be built by hand. He's come from recycled scooter parts, bicycles, and joystickbike.ch is giving out all of the plans for free. See people developing this for all kinds of different technology. This joystick technology can be put onto a kid's bike, a mountain bike, a motor scooter. This guy hauls ass, all built on electric. You got this nice little controller here, super smooth ride. The feeling is amazing. This thing feels basically like you're in a video game or flying a jet. Check us out, joystickbike.ch. If you want to build one yourself or you got a friend who's going to help you build it, check us out. We'll send you the plans for free. Let's see what you can come up with. Till then. Woo!